So to come back to the same argument we started out with about the Prime Minister encouraging Jamaicans to come back home so we can shore up the birth rate and so on. These are some of the things, Mr. Prime Minister, that we have to fix. We have to get to a level where people need to count to 10 before you take an action. Right? We have to start to talk to each other. Right? We have to talk people out of the violence that has become so commonplace, domestic violence. Because that's what this is. No police couldn't prevent this from happening. A domestic situation. But maybe if you can appeal to people's conscience and thinking. No, none of them no win. Right? One person now is answering to a charge, well, I think two of them have been charged.